Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today, I'm proud to announce we got a manifold back. Finally. I got it yesterday. It delivered from UPS. I got it at like 6:59. Just minutes to spare from their delivery being cut off. However, this one's broken. As soon as I took it out of the package, I inspected it and I was just trying to make sure that everything was okay. And that's when I noticed, I don't know if I'll be able to show it on camera, but this corner has a hairline crack. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. I emailed Airlift to ask if it was okay to install this into the car. Obviously they don't work weekends, so I'm just gonna send it. We're gonna put this in the car and see if it works. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna be pretty bummed because I was really hoping to get the car back on the road. But let's get this installed and test it out. What can go wrong? A couple other things we can do before we can put the car back on the road is we need to make sure we torque all the wheel nuts. I gotta trim those bolts on the front splitter so when I air out, the splitter actually comes and touches the ground. And then I'm actually going to adjust the camber on the front wheels. I'm gonna bring it out just a little bit because when I was cleaning the wheels, I noticed there's a little bit of camber wear on the inside of the tires. So I'm gonna bring it just back a hair, and hopefully that will help reduce a little bit of that camber wear. To adjust the camber is really simple. You just loosen off these 4 Allen key bolts, and then once they're loose, this whole plate moves inboard and outboard. So if you move it inboard, you're gonna have more camber going in. If you move it outboard, your tire will have more camber out at the top. So I brought it out 1 line. You can see there's lines on here. So I brought this out 1 line, and now we will see if the wheel will clear the fender. I had it cambered in so that when it comes up and clears the fender. So let's drop the car and make sure we're still going to clear the fender and not rip it. Perfect. No clearance issues. Everything looks incredible. Well, so far that's a good sound. We're getting some air into the tank from the compressor. Only 1 compressor is running right now because the new manifold doesn't know there's 2 compressors. I need to put some air in the bags so that I can get the car raised up and then get the quick jacks out from underneath it, and then we can do the actual calibration. While the tank's filling up, we'll get the grinder and we'll cut off those bolts on the front splitter. Bolts cut off. Safety first. Don't forget safety. We got 100 psi in each corner. I've got the blocks that we were storing the car on out. Let's drop the car, and fingers crossed she's on her feet for the last time this season. Hopefully now we can just get out and enjoy the car and have a lot of fun with it. So let's drop her down and get these quick jacks out. I just bungee the quick jacks together so when I stack them against the wall, they don't want to try and separate. It just makes it easy for storage. Yeah. Let's get to calibrating the new Airlift manifold. So far it seems to be holding just fine. I don't hear any leaking or any problems with it, and it seems to be operating okay. So far so good. Yeah, I'm happy. We're about to take Quinn out on the road finally, but let's get calibrating. Okay, system not calibrated. Do you want to start? Start. Is the vehicle on a level surface? Yes. Are the front wheels straight? Yes. Is the vehicle and all wheels free of obstructions? Yes. Is your manifold mounted? Yes. Do you have 1 or 2 compressors? 2. Calibrate pressure, auto or manual? Auto. Do you have height sensors? Yes. Calibrate auto or manual? Auto. The vehicle will now move. Are you ready? Yes. So now it will go through this configuration and do all of its calibration settings, and we'll just hang out and wait for it to finish. Now, torque the wheels. All torqued, almost ready to go. We got one thing left to do, and then we're taking her out for a drive. That's right, license plate. We got it all registered. We're good to 2021. HQ BMW is finally going on Quinn. This is a super exciting moment. I don't know if you guys are new to the channel. My wife got me this plate for my birthday back in December, and it's been a long time coming. So let's get this plate installed onto Quinn, and then we can go for a rip. And away we go. We have Quinn on the road. Forgot one thing. Forgot to check tire pressures. Car's been sitting for a while, so the air in the tires dropped a bit, but thankfully I remembered before I got too far. I just turned back and went and pumped them up, and just like 2 or 3 psi just to bring them back to what they're supposed to be at. But now let's go do some photos and see what this puppy looks like out in the sunshine. We come to one of my favorite places to take pictures. This is where I do a lot of the pictures for myself. It's quiet, there's nobody really around, and the results of the photos are really good. I actually did this location for the photos when I got top 100 for my Stance Wars. I used that picture from this location. What do you guys think? Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think of Quinn for 2020. Not so loud and obnoxious, except for the exhaust, of course. Got the new plate. She's looking minty clean. I'm really loving the white on white. I think it was a good choice for this year with the neon accents. I'll just leave this right here, let you guys soak it in. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. We got home and just in time because it's pouring outside. I still got the big door open. Sorry if you can hear all the damn birds. It's springtime. How can you go wrong with that? Birds are singing. The sun was out, but now it's raining and hopefully it'll turn everything green. Kind of like the accents on the car. I have to give a big shout out to each and every one of you that watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. I couldn't believe the overwhelming number of DMs I got from the mirrors. I wrapped the mirrors the same accent color as the rest of the car. So many of you guys messaged me, and I ended up, instead of just sending out a hat and some air fresheners, I actually put a few care packages together and I sent them all out to each and every one of you guys. So it's my way of saying thank you for watching the channel, and I'm truly impressed. Your support is incredible. With that, if you've stuck around this long, I thank you so much. And I've got a lot of DMs also about the XKGLOW, because a lot of you guys have noticed we've hit 2,500 subscribers. I can't imagine I was ever gonna hit 2,500 subscribers. So we are going to be doing the XKGLOW giveaway. I actually ordered the kit prior to even getting close to the 2,500, and I'm just waiting for it to show up. XKGLOW and myself have partnered for this giveaway, so if you guys want to see who the lucky subscriber is, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We are going to be doing the giveaway on the next video, which the kit is going to be here any day now, and we are going to pick one lucky random subscriber. So if you've commented on the video, links below, hashtag XKGLOW, you have a chance to win. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Just kind of sporadic all over the place, but Quinn's back on the road, and that was my main objective for today, and we accomplished it. So thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe.